Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change your time zone or region on Android phone. For example, if you use VPN to change your current location to another country, then you need to change your time zone or your region on your phone to get high percent and high secure your IP address. Just watch this. When you turn on your VPN without change the time zone and region on your phone, then you will get low percent, and your IP address will not secure enough. As you can see in the video, I get only 85% after I turn on my VPN, so you need to change the time zone and region on your phone to get higher percent. So now, let's go to change it. First, go to Setting. Then scroll down to find General Management. Then click on Date and Time. And turn off Automatic Time Zone. Then click on Select Time Zone. Then click on Region, and search for the country where your VPN located in. And for me, I search for United States, cause my VPN is located in New York City. Then select your city or your state time zone, and make sure that the city or the state time zone that you select must the same with your VPN location. And I select the United States as my region, and in New York City, cause my VPN is located in New York. Okay, now, I can get 90%, it's higher than before, but anyway, if you want to get 100%, you need to install another fake GPS or fake location apps from your Play Store, but 90% is already enough for me. I can use United States accounts just like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, without any problem. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks and bye for now.